Today at Blade Ops, we are checking out the Bestech Fanga. This model features a wicked 4.02-inch D2 steel blade with that epic sweeping clip point blade. It's about 9.45 inches overall. Definitely one of the larger sized Bestechs, but still quite comfortable. Uses awesome blue G10 handles with kind of like a carbon fiber mix into it, which looks really cool. It's about 4.7 ounces, so pretty light, pretty standard. Nice, good, smooth action. It's got a titanium clip. I always like the titanium clips more because they've got a little bit more flex in them. Just all around, super cool knife. So make sure to get your new Bestech Fanga today at Blade Ops.